So first of all, I'm going to open my text editor, which is Notepad, and just save it by any name you would like. I'm going to save it with the name diary, and just type .log in uppercase, or you can say capital letters, and exit. I'm going to reopen that file. So whenever you open that file, current date and time will be automatically added before you know. So let's verify just once. So I'm going to write something. This is my diary. I'm saving it and exit. I'm going to reopen that file. So here you can see it is displaying the current time and current date. So it haven't changed because I opened it at the same time. So let's check it again. Hello world. You can see it is 129 and 8th of June. So you can use it as your personal diary, or you can use it as a memo, or anything you would like. Thank you.